This is Toby Preacher from Games.death. Welcome to this game development routine. I'm developing the game Oh My Zombie, and today I'm gonna take care of the open box for releasing the version 0.015, and I got here in my list some tasks to do. I want to make sure that the puke attack enemy can get damage only once by the particles, and that's what I'm going to do first. And so for that I'm gonna jump right into my enemy AI script, which I got here, and I'm gonna say edit this script, and also let's have a cup of coffee. Well, I'd like to ask you a question in this episode, so I'm gonna answer it for you at the end of the video. So, what is your favorite indie game? Let me know down in the comments, and I will answer this question at the end of this vlog episode. So, but for now, we're gonna get into the particle collision, which I got here, and I have the very rare event happening that the enemy can get hit twice by the particles, and that is what I want to avoid. So let me see, what do I have here on collision? And got hit it is not true, and current health is bigger than 0. Got hit it is true. Damage is up to 3 damage points. Time since last hit equals particle hit timer. And then I say particle hit timer minus time since last hit. The game, blah 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 blah, and I'm gonna say plus 0.03, and that should fix the issue. So let's get in here and hit play mode. I'm just gonna test this out. Let's take all the bones with us, but important for now is how much we got in the tank here. Well, only damaged once. Let's see. There is the pill dropping. There, I'm dead. Let's see. I should force her to get into those particles, so I'm gonna restart the level at this point. Let me see. There we go. Okay, she doesn't get hit twice. Whoa, what a weird bug. Holy moly. You saw that. Also need to fix that. And I can jump while I'm dead? That's not supposed to happen.
Give me the fresh meat.
I have to restart the level again to test. Okay. Shows he's getting into this. Okay, I think that this is not happening anymore.
Make me eat them.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure. Okay, we fixed that, but I saw something else. When I'm dead, I can jump. Look at that. What the heck? Why can I jump?
Give me the fresh meat.
I'm not supposed to jump when I'm dead. Look at that. Look at that. What the heck? Okay, we fixed one bug and we found another one. Let me just mark this one as done. And I have to go into my player platformer controller script. Let me see where it is. There it is. Here is use item. Let me see, where do I have all the input stuff? Compute velocity. Okay, I'm gonna add a statement in there. And current health. Current health or health? Let me see. I think I don't have it here. I have to say, do I have a field for the player stats? No, I don't have any. So let me see. Where is my game asset script? Game assets. There we are. Here are the player stats. So I'm gonna say game assets dot instance dot player stats dot current health has to be bigger than 0. And here's the double jump, and also there I should add this as well. Gonna add it in here, save it, and making sure that the player can only jump if his health is bigger than 1. So let's jump down right here. What the? Oh, I was exiting play mode by accident. So let me see. There we go. I can't jump anymore. Okay, that's a good sign.
Make me
Look at the pills there. Okay, can't jump, can't jump, can't jump. Alright, this bug is fixed. Let me just enter the bug in here. So I have it documented. Make sure player can't jump when his health is below or is smaller than 0. Gonna add that, check it off. Alright, next up is enemy radar, and I have to make sure that dead enemies are not getting tracked. And but first of all, I'm gonna drink some coffee here. Alright, the enemy radar system. Well, for that I think I will go in here and I'm gonna double this one. Enemy shooter go up there, and I should keep this stuff organized. So I have my folder for the enemies in here, and I'll drag my other enemies in there, and you can see by the naming there is a bit of a mess in there, but I don't care for now because this is all for testing purpose and in a nicely laid out and organized level. That should be different, I know. Alright, there is the duplication, and you can see here, okay, they are getting tracked, and I want to make sure that none of them is getting are marked when they are dead. So you can see, there you see it. Okay, that's the issue I want to fix. This enemy is dead. And the health of this enemy should be below 0, or at least 0. Current health -2. Okay, it's below 0. I don't want it to be marked anymore. So I have to go into my enemy radar script. Let me see. Enemy radar is over here. Let's go into it. And close the wake section. On trigger stay if collision is trigger. Enemy contact is true. Okay. If closest enemy not equals to null, and I will add something in here, and closest enemy dot get let me think. It's the transform, and I want to get a component, and I want to have the component enemy AI, and I'm gonna say current health. Oh, not closest, current health is current health a private. Is it private? Current speed, current health, it's a public int. So I should be able to access it. Let me see. Get component enemy AI, parentheses, and then I should be able, yeah, that was a syntax error. And closest enemy dot get component dot enemy dot I dot current health has to be bigger than 0. Alright, let's test. Okay, you can see the first one is getting marked. Second one is getting marked. Jump down here, damage them again, and kill myself, letting myself killed. And I think the problem is still there. Well, it isn't there actually, like it was before, but in a... Let me see what's going on here. I think it's because, let me see, where do I unassign the color? On trigger exit. Oh. Oh, I put it in the wrong spot. This is not supposed to be here, but it should be up here. There we go. Is bigger than 1. Then it's getting marked as there's the color assignment, color white, On destroy, colors getting white. On trigger exit, color is getting white. Maybe I will have to take this line of code and put it into the enemy AI script, but we will see. So let's just test one more time. Hit play mode. Whoa. I got a null reference exception on enemy radar. Whoa. What is happening? Oh. Okay, I guess I can't do it this way. The problem here is that this closest enemy transform is still empty. So I can't do this here. Well, I have to think of something else. Well, I could do something like, here's the color assignment, and so I could say if closest enemy I think this should work. Then have it like that. I really don't understand what I did here. Why should it make the color white when closest enemy is not null? I don't understand that. What did I do? So let's see. What do we have? Okay, so the color switch is working. And what happens now if I kill one of those? Whoa, whoa, whoa. So, killed. Alright.
Make me eat them.
Yeah, now it's working. That's how I want it to have. So the color, they are not getting marked anymore when they are dead. So let's kill some of them. Let's actually kill her and kill myself. Alright, alright. Yeah, that's happening quickly. Oh, you saw, did you see that? That was an example of getting hurt twice by the puke stuff. What the heck? I thought I fixed that, but okay. We have the color marking. That one's fixed, but this one not. So I have to take care of that. And for this, let's go back into the enemy AI code under the section on particle collision. God hit it. Let me see. Is it on awake? No. On start? Yeah. So God hit it is false. And if God hit it is false, I'm getting here. I say God hit it is true. I deliver 3 damage, and then I say time since last hit equals the particle hit timer. Particle hit timer. Let me see, where do we have the particle hit timer? Onward update, probably onward update. Particle hit timer, where are you? Particle hit timer. There it is. It is on 0. Then it's getting increased by the time the delta time. Time since last hit equals the particle timer. If particle timer minus time since last hit is bigger than the particle system main start live constant plus I think I will put it like that. 0.5 f, which should be a half second. And the half second should be enough to make sure that everything's working fine. Okay, let's experiment with these particle hits. Okay, nothing happening to them. Restart the level.
Make me them.
The problem is that this attack is emptying my stomach. But I think it is fixed now.
Make me
I guess it is. Yeah, I think that's okay. Alright. So, this is the part where I have all the bug fixes in there. And this point is not really a bug fixing thing. I want to redo the first level a little bit so that testers can even test the game better and get a better game feel. And not everything is packed and cramped so in a tiny spot. So this is what I'm gonna do tomorrow, and I'm looking forward to this because this is going to be lots of fun. So the answer to the previous question at the beginning of the video, what is your favorite indie game? I'm gonna answer this right now, and well, people are fighting each other about the definition of indie. What is an indie game? What is an indie studio? But I think indie is a small independent studio which doesn't have these great fundings like the big player, the big companies like EA and such. And so I consider my favorite game at the moment as a indie title, and it is Ori and the Blind Forest. This is one of my favorite indie games. It is really, really such a, I would say, perfect platformer experience. Even for people who are not that platformer fans, this is just ridiculous good. And it's, of course, a very high measure. Everybody, every other indie game developer has to compete against and has to keep in mind and work towards it to reach such a professional level. Also, I think that a game like this in this graphic quality and content can't be developed by one guy. You need a team actually for this. and so it's not for this solo indie game dev, but it's really a fantastic game. And if you haven't played it yet, I definitely recommend it. It is several times it has been on sale on Steam, and you can grab it for $5, and it's simply great. So that's everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed watching. Make sure you hit the like and subscribe button if you didn't already, and I'm gonna see you in the next video. Looking forward to have you there, and folks, stay safe and stay healthy. I see you in the next one. Have a good day. Bye.